In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to set up and use registration forms in PhotoDay. Registration forms allow you to collect subject information and parent or guardian contact details before picture day, and that information automatically connects to your job. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to create a form template, attach it to a job, and understand what your customers experience during registration. To begin, go to the registration forms section and create a new form template. Think of this template as your base structure. You can reuse it across multiple jobs and customize it within each job as needed. Inside the template, you can add instructions that customers will see before they begin filling out the form. Next, choose how you'd like to refer to the person being photographed. For example, student, athlete, dancer, or subject. This label will appear throughout the form. Below that, you'll select which data fields you want to collect. You can customize the labels for those fields to make the form more relevant to your situation. If you'd like customers to upload a reference photo, you can choose whether that upload is required or optional. Once you've configured your fields and settings, save your template. Next, open the job where you want to use the registration form. This works for any job type, private, group, or public. In the job, navigate to the pre-picture day registration section and attach the form template you created. Once attached, you'll see additional configuration options. Here, you have the option to edit the form instructions to tailor it to this specific job. You can set an end date for the registration period, with options to end registration after picture day, when the gallery is published, or on a custom date. After that date, customers would no longer be required to complete the form before accessing the gallery. You can also adjust certain fields to use drop-down selections instead of open text entry. This is helpful if you want consistent formatting, for example, for teacher names, grade levels, or team names. You can manually enter drop-down options one per line or paste them in from a CSV or existing list. To share the registration form, simply provide customers with the job URL. While registration is active, anyone who has not yet completed the form will automatically be redirected to it before accessing the gallery. Here, they'll fill out the fields you set up when creating the form. They'll also have the option to upload a reference photo, which is used only as a visual reference to help group their photos together in the gallery. Customers can also add multiple subjects within a single submission if needed. The email you use for the account is automatically connected to those subject records, along with any additional email addresses entered on the form. If a phone number is provided, customers are opted into SMS notifications for that job. Once registration is complete, customers can view the gallery at whatever stage it's in, whether that's draft, advanced pay, or published. In group or public jobs, customers who are associated with subjects either through registration or matching email addresses will automatically see a filtered view of only their subjects' photos. They can still browse the full gallery if they choose, but the filtered view makes it much easier to find their images quickly. When a customer submits a registration form, a subject record is automatically created or updated within the job. You can edit or append subject records at any time if needed. If you ever want to review original submissions exactly as they were entered, you can view them under the Insights section. Registration forms help you gather accurate, customer-provided data before picture day, improving organization, powering notifications, and creating a smoother gallery experience for families. And that's how you set up and use registration forms in PhotoDay.